What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, what are you doing?
No.
Oh, yeah. So, we made it to our friend's house yesterday. We made it like in the afternoon, evening. I want to say around 4:30, 5 o'clock. Unload the car, and then we just head out to the yard where the chickens and goats were, and then went and saw the alpacas. Charlotte ran around, got a lot of energy out, so that was very nice and tired her out. And then we had some dinner and then just relaxed the rest of the evening. So, it is the next day. I'm enjoying some coffee. She just ate like a granola bar and is playing with her blocks. Travis and his friend Kevin are outside, out in the garage, I think, working on the golf carts. Courtney's at work, but she'll be home later. So we're just kind of enjoying the day. I'm going to get her dressed soon, get myself ready, and then we'll head outside and let her run around and go see the chickens and goats again. So it's going to be a really fun, like, just easygoing day. So can't wait to take you guys along. Water. Look, you see alpacas? Look at alpacas. Put your hand in there. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Your blankie. How was your nap, baby? Was it good? You have a good nap? Yeah. So here's our setup. We have her in the pack and play and then our bed. But last night, little Miss didn't want to sleep in the pack and play, so she slept with us in the bed. It was very snug. Giraffe. Do you want to go outside? You want to go see the chickens and goats?
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
You did really good. You slept for almost an hour and a half. Can you blow a kiss? Oh, thank you. I love you.
Hi.
Good morning. Did you sleep good last night? Yeah? What are you doing? Oh, okay. She slept great last night. She actually slept in the pack and play, so she did not sleep with me and Travis. So Travis and I both got sleep. So that was very nice. It's about 10:30. Charlotte and I have been up for about an hour now. So we got up around 9:30. And then Travis just got up and gonna eat some breakfast. Brunch, whatever you want to call it. We have donuts. And then I'll get her dressed and then we'll go outside and play. It's a little bit chillier today, but not too bad. Oh, thank you. What's up, Billy? Yeah. And all the chickens. We all just woke up from a nap. I think we'll nap like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then Charlotte's had a snack. Changed her. Now we're outside just playing a little bit more. It's almost 5. Courtney should be home soon. And then we're going to have dinner. So we're just hanging out. Tonight's our last night here, and then we'll go home tomorrow. What's up?
Out of here, Billy.
So we ended up driving home last night. So we're home. I'm drinking coffee out of my coffee mug and slept in our own beds last night. Charlotte slept great in her crib, so that was awesome. It is 10:15, so we've been up for over an hour now. But yeah, yesterday we were hanging outside feeding the goats and chickens, alpacas. Courtney got home from work, and what are you doing? And we just decided that we're just gonna head home. Charles did have a migraine, and we wanted to beat traffic and not have to sit in it. This morning coming home, because it is a couple hour drive, like 2 hours and like 15 minutes, but still. So we drove home last night, got home around 10:30, slept in our own bed, so it's great. So here we are next day, drinking coffee at home on the couch. Charlotte's watching Finding Dory and playing with her tablet, which is very loud right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of a few days on the farm. We had so much fun being out there with our friends, and it was a blast. Charlotte loved it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave those comments down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.